Researchers at the University of North Carolina School of Medicine, led by Susanna Stroik and Dale Ramsden, have provided insights into the polymerase theta-mediated end joining (TMEJ) DNA repair pathway implicated in hereditary breast cancer, ovarian cancer, and prostate cancer. The study sheds light on the TMEJ pathway, which some cancers exploit for their survival, offering potential targets for cancer therapies. The researchers discovered a buddy system between polymerases theta and delta, with polymerase delta assisting in the repair process. The findings could pave the way for the development of drugs disrupting key components of the pathway in cancer cells, providing a more targeted approach than conventional chemotherapies.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.